Welcome back to Speak English Daily, the podcast that helps you speak English naturally and confidently every single day. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new English lesson. Today's episode is very special because we're going to cover the top 50 everyday English words that you must learn if you want to sound natural and fluent in daily conversations. These words are simple but powerful. You'll hear them in almost every English conversation, at work, at school, or with friends. Let's begin.
Part 1. Basic everyday words. Let's start with the basics. These are the words you'll use every day no matter where you are. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Hello, a friendly way to greet someone. Goodbye, what you say when you leave. Please, a polite word when asking for something. Thank you, to show appreciation. Sorry, when you make a mistake. Yes, to agree. No, to disagree. Maybe, when you're not sure. Excuse me, to get someone's attention or move through a crowd. Okay, to agree or confirm something.
These 10 words may seem simple, but they're the foundation of English communication. If you master the tone, rhythm, and pronunciation of these words, your conversations will sound much more natural.
Part 2. Talking about yourself. Now let's learn words we use to talk about ourselves, things you'll use every day when introducing yourself or describing your life. I, used for yourself. You, talking to another person. He or she, talking about someone else. We, talking about yourself and others. They, talking about other people. Name, to tell who you are. Age, how old you are. Job, what you do for work. Home, where you live. Family, the people you live with or care about.
These words help you create your story in English. Try making short sentences like, I am a student. My family lives in London. He works in an office. Repeat them aloud. This is how you train your fluency.
Part 3. Everyday action words. Now we'll move on to action verbs. These are the words that describe what you do every day. Go, I go to work. Come here please. Eat, let's eat dinner. Drink from water. See, I see my friends every weekend. Look at that picture. Make your bed in the morning. Do your homework. Have, I have a car. Like, I like coffee.
Notice that these verbs can fit in almost every sentence you use in daily life. Practice them in your morning routine. For example, I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Part 4. Talking about places and things. Now let's look at common nouns, the things and places you see or use every day. House, the place where you live. Room, a part of your house. Car, for traveling. Street, where you walk or drive. Shop, where you buy things. Food, what you eat. Water, what you drink. Clothes, what you wear. Phone, what you use to talk or text. Work, the place or task you do daily.
These are objects you can touch or places you visit. Try saying simple sentences like, I'm going to the shop. My phone is on the table. I work in a big office.
Part 5. Describing feelings and things. Now let's practice adjectives, words that describe how you feel or what something is like. Good, this is a good movie. Bad, that's a bad idea. Happy, I'm happy today. Sad, she feels sad. Tired, I'm tired after work. Busy. He's busy right now. Big. It's a big house. Small. That's a small room. Hot. The weather is hot. Cold. The water is cold.
These adjectives are simple but powerful. You'll use them every day to talk about your feelings, the weather, your home, and your life. Practice section. Speaker 1 and 2. Now, let's do a short practice together. I'll say a sentence and you repeat after me. Ready?
Let's go.
I feel happy today.
I feel happy today.
The weather is hot.
The weather is hot.
I go to work every morning.
I go to work every morning.
My phone is on the table.
My phone is on the table.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Excellent! Practicing these short sentences every day will help your pronunciation, rhythm, and memory.
Tips for learners. Here's a quick learning tip. Don't just read or listen to these words once. Try to use them in your daily routine. When you wake up, say, "Good morning." When you go to work, say, "I'm going to work." When you eat, say, "I'm eating breakfast."
Exactly. The secret to learning fast isn't just studying, it's using English in your real life. These 50 words can help you describe almost everything around you.
So let's review. We've learned 50 of the most common English words that appear in everyday life. These words help you speak, write, and understand English naturally.
If you master these 50 words, you can already build hundreds of simple, correct English sentences. Practice them every day, and you'll sound more confident in no time.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to Speak English Daily, hit the like button, and share this episode with your friends who are also learning English.
Join us again tomorrow for another real English conversation and improve your English step by step, day by day. Thanks for listening and have a wonderful day.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, every word you learn brings you one step closer to fluency. See you next time.